Good day ladies and gentlemen. On October 3, 2024, former Minister for Transport Iswaran was given a jail term of 12 months. Iswaran's defense lawyer Davinder Singh had argued for not more than 8 weeks jail time while the prosecution sought a jail term of 6 to 7 months. So why will Iswaran appeal his 1-year jail sentence? Professor Ma is of the view that Iswaran will appeal his 1-year jail sentence because of comparison to the case of former Singapore Civil Defence Force Chief Peter Lim Sin Pang. Peter Lim had faced 10 charges of corruption, of which 9 were initially stood down to a later date when he claimed trial. Subsequently, the prosecution agreed to have 7 of those charges, which he confessed to, taken into consideration for sentencing, and the other 2 charges withdrawn. Ultimately, Peter Lim was convicted of 1 corruption charge and sentenced to 6 months in jail. The fact of the matter is, Peter Lim was charged under Section 6A of the Prevention of Corruption Act, Chapter 241, which carries a heavier punishment of a maximum of 5 years imprisonment compared to the 5 charges which Iswaran pleaded guilty to, which consist of 4 charges under Section 165 of the Penal Code. An offence of a public servant obtaining any valuable thing without consideration from a person concerned in any proceeding or business transacted by such public servant, which carries a maximum of 2 years imprisonment. The 5th charge is for obstruction of justice under Section 204A of the Penal Code. In other words, if one were to consider based solely on the maximum imprisonment duration of the charges against him, Iswaran will expect to receive a lighter punishment than Peter Lim Sin Pang. This is why Professor Ma thinks that Iswaran will appeal against his 1-year jail sentence. In subsequent videos, Professor Ma will explain more aspects of life. In the meantime, please help by liking and by subscribing. Thank you.